In this video, I want to show you how to make your own components to add to an assembly. So first thing I'm going to do is go back in time in this file. I'm going to grab my history marker and pull it back one notch to take apart my lamp back to so the head is off, but still one of the arms is attached. Now I'm going to make another arm. I'm going to go to Create Sketch, click on a plane. I'm going to do Create and Rectangle, 2-point rectangle, and make a shape right here. I'm going to dimension this to be, I'm going to make this one different, 8 inches long and 1.25 inches wide. I'm using D for dimension here, or go to Create Dimension, and then click on a line, and then click to place to write that dimension. I'm going to put 2 holes in here, but I want to make them in the center line. So I'm going to draw a center line from triangle to triangle on either side. I'm going to click on that line and hit X to make it on the keyboard to make it a dotted line, normal construction. X on the keyboard. I'm going to make those holes that I'm going to use on that center line. I'm going to dimension those holes with Create Dimension. Let's make that 5/16, and this one 5/16, and then these need to be the same. 5/16. They need to be the same distance from the end to look right, which I'm going to make 0.5 and 0.5. But then I'm going to hit Finish Sketch and Extrude. And all of this is to create another part in CAD. So there's another part. I could round the corners using my fillet tool. But all of this is sort of optional. As long as you have something that you can build your lamp out of, that's what I'm grading in this assignment. I'm going to go a 0.5 round over on those guys. So here's my other lamp arm I'm going to add. I'm going to go into Bodies menu now and find this piece that I just made. I'm going to call it Arm 2. And I'm going to right-click on it and say Create Components from Bodies. Notice right now, if I go to Joint, I cannot connect this yet because it's not a component. To make it a component, all I do is right-click on it and say Create Components from Bodies. If I wanted to drag bodies into different components, you can do that, but this is going to be just the simplest way to have another component on here. I'm going to rotate my lamp up by double-clicking on this little thing and bring it up to maybe, I don't know, 115 degrees or something like that. And then I'm hitting Enter there to capture that position. And then I'm going to go to J for Joints and grab this circle and attach it to this circle here. Ooh, looks like it's stuck inside of the other one. You can use the flip button to put it on the outside. If I selected the wrong side there, now it's outside of there. And then I can add my lamp head to here as well. Circle, circle, and flip, and rotate. And click OK. Now I've got my fully assembled lamp with the extra arm on it, and that's what I'm looking for the exceeding for this assignment. All right. Take a screenshot of this and turn it in on the OneDrive assignment.